In this lesson, I'm going to talk about quadratic equation. The question is, solve the equation by the completing square method. The completing square method is make the left side of the equation into a perfect square. We are going to use the perfect square formula. A subtract B square equals to A square subtract 2 times A times B plus B square. So this is x square subtract 6x plus 6 divided by 2 square subtract 6 divided by 2 square subtract 72 equals to 0. X square subtract 6x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 square subtract 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. Subtract 72 equals to 0. Now, x square subtract 6x plus 3 square is x subtract 3 square. This is a perfect square. Subtract 72, negative 72 plus negative 9 is negative 81 equals to 0. We move the 81 to the right side of the equation. Here is negative 81. Move to the right side of the equation, become positive 81. So we have x subtract 3 square equals to 81. From here, we have x subtract 3 equals to positive negative square root 81, which is x subtract 3 equals to positive negative 9. So we get x subtract 3 equals to positive 9, or x subtract 3 equals to negative 9. If x subtract 3 equals to positive 9, x equals to 3 plus 9 is 12. If x subtract 3 equals to negative 9, then x equals to negative 9 plus positive 3 is negative 6. Now, we need to substitute x equals to 12 into the original equation. Find if the left side of the equation equals to right side of the equation. And we also need to substitute x2 equals to negative 6 into the original equation to see if the left side of the equation equal to right side of the equation. After testing, we find x1 and x2 satisfy the original equation. So this equation has two solutions. One is 12, another one is negative 6. Thank you for watching.